Vision. In the context of India today and in the light of the four constitutions of the Vatican II and post-conciliar documents, to deepen an experience of Christ and his mission in priests, religious, and especially the laity who are part of a synodal church. Such a deepened awareness of the accompanying presence of Christ transforms all areas of our lives and is mediated through formation workshops, seminars, and symposia at the parish, diocesan, and national levels. This commission has two sections. 1 Commission for Theology and Doctrine, 2 Commission for Canon Law and Legislative Texts. The purpose of this commission is to coordinate the activities related to theological and canonical matters. The Theology and Doctrine Commission, in collaboration with the Bible Commission of the Calcutta Archdiocese, began the theology course for the laity at Archbishop's House on the 8th of July 2023. Dr. Henry Mesefes elucidated the dynamics of the course. Father T.J. Joss is the coordinator of the resource team for the Jubilee year 2025. A plan has been drawn up to conduct seminars on the four constitutions of Vatican II in the deaneries of the Archdiocese. Syro-Malabar Doctrinal Commission, Regional Theology Forum, meeting St. Ephraim's Theological College, Satna. Topic for the discussion: Rediscovering and Revitalizing Syro-Malabar Mission. Today, by the Regional Secretary Reverend Father George Mangalapilli. In October 2023, few theologians of the Agra region had a meeting to discuss the challenges facing Christian theology in India. The St. Joseph Safeguarding Center, together with the CBCI Office for Justice, Peace and Development, the CCBI Commission for Doctrine and Theology, Communio of the CCBI and the FIMC Biomedical Ethics Center, Mumbai chose to come together and jointly organize a national symposium on the theme Human Dignity and Pastoral Accompaniment of the Vulnerable, Minors and Victims of Injustice. It shared information on recent church documents to the dioceses and religious congregations in the region by organizing a seminar entitled Towards an Ecclesial Renewal in Northeast India at Northeastern Diocesan Social Forum, Guwahati, from 8th to 10th November 2023. There were 65 participants. Father Emmanuel Dosan was involved in the formulation of the 2-year diploma course for the laity in Sacred Heart Seminary, Pune, Mali, besides being involved in the Theological Symposium held on 7th and 8th December 2023 at Pune. The Commission for Theology and Doctrine helped to coordinate the theological courses run by the various institutions in Tamil Nadu. January 18 to 24, 2024. Strategic planning for the whole of West Bengal Sikkim region at Bishop's House, Chotparua, in the Diocese of Raiganj. 2. A half-day seminar was organized by the Commission for Theology and Doctrine under the leadership of Archbishop Thomas McWan on the 24th of February, Ahmednagar, on the present scenario and mission in our country. 3. On March 13th, the Diocese of Asansol, the Commission for Theology and Doctrine of Asansol, organized a seminar on Lumen Gentium. 4th, in April, from 17th to 18th April 2024, a seminar on the papal documents and pastoral accompaniment for the junior clergy of the region was organized by the Commission for Theology and Doctrine of the Diocese of Muzaffarpur. June 17, 2024. The Commission helped organize a one-day intensive seminar on Vatican II documents for the women religious at Bishop's House, Chotparua, in the Diocese of Raiganj, July 15 to 30th, 2024. Several seminars on the four constitutions of Vatican II in 4 different deaneries for different age groups in the Santali language were organized in the Diocese of Raiganj. The theology course for the laity 2024 to 2025 was officially inaugurated at Archbishop's House, Kolkata, on Saturday the 13th of July 2024. Regional Commission for Theology and Doctrine Northern Region, in collaboration with Vidyajyoti College of Theology, had a theological webinar for laity, religious and priests of North India. The topic was Covenantal Spirituality and the speaker was Father Dr. Jimmy Darby S.J., conducted in August 2024. The Commission for Theology and Doctrine in the MP region on the 9th to 11th of August 2024 organized a theological program. The participants in the joint program were bishops, priests and sisters of MP region held at Pastoral Center, Bhopal. The Regional Commission for Theology and Doctrine Northern Region of the Jalandhar Diocese had seminars on the constitutions SC and DV. The Diocese of Jammu Srinagar organized classes for the laity on Bible and theology. They also conducted the diocesan phase of the synod and helped in the process of dissemination of synodal objectives. The Archdiocese of Delhi had the seminars and presentations of the four constitutions of the Second Vatican Council from 18 February 2024 to 27 November 2024. Women Empowerment in Faith. Maria sang 2 programs, one in Dentawada, Chhattisgarh, and one in Parappa, Yagdalpur. 10 September, Dei Verbum, the Dogmatic Constitution on Divine Revelation by Father Deepak in the Diocese of Asansol. The Regional Commission for Theology and Doctrine of the Jaun region in September organized a one-day workshop for the diocesan secretaries. The commission, together with the Archdiocese of Gandhinagar, organized a seminar for the clergy and religious on the missionary zeal of St. Paul and the striking features of his synodality. Father Dr. Paul Raj, Professor of Biblical Theology at Jnana Deepa JDM Pune, the resource person, dealt with the subject factually and pastorally. The Regional Commission for Theology and Doctrine of the Northeastern Region published articles on some documents of the Church: Fiducia Supplicans, Dignitas Infinita, Redemptionis Sacramentum and Fidei Donum. The Regional Commission organized a seminar on 13 to 15 November at Guwahati on Dignitas Infinita. The initiatives of various commissions in the field of theology and doctrine in the Tamil Nadu region were: 1. Orientation on the 4 constitutions of Vatican II. The Regional Laity Commission presented an orientation on the 4 constitutions of Vatican II in preparation for the Jubilee year to the laity. This initiative was implemented across 15 dioceses. Second Anbiam, that is a Basic Christian Community Conference. An Anbiam conference was held on January 26, 2024 in Tiruchirappalli under the theme The 4 Constitutions of Vatican II. The event, which was a grand success, was attended by over 1,000 participants, including priests, religious and laypersons. Third Theology course for laity and religious St. Paul's Seminary, Tiruchirappalli, is conducting a 2-year theology course tailored for the laity and religious that is aimed at fostering theological education and spiritual growth. A national symposium, Religions and Cultures, Journeying Together, Hope for a New India. 175 participants from 25 dioceses held at St. Pius College, Goregaon, Mumbai from 15 to 17 November 2024. In collaboration with Youth Commission, in November, sessions on sacraments was conducted for confirmation students of the diocese during the round table at Dediapada Mission Parish in the Diocese of Baroda. The Regional Commission for Theology and Doctrine, Northern Region, the Archdiocese of Delhi started Tea with Theology, a special initiative to popularize theology among the masses. The Diocese of Jagdalpur, in the region of Chhattisgarh, villages like Sadatpur, Madum, Bhodal, Gumiapal, Sakargav are undergoing faith formation by priests and sisters. This program is done right through the year. The Amravati Diocesan Theology Commission. The classes are organized during Sundays and the students are taught moral theology as well as liturgical theology in the Marathi language. Theological articles are also published in Marathi and Hindi in their diocesan magazine Amavani. The Commission for Theology and Doctrine of the Baroda Diocese, in collaboration with SCC's Commission, sessions were conducted on theology and historical development of SCC's. In collaboration with Laity Commission, sessions for the members of parish pastoral councils in different deaneries on the theology of church. These were held from September to December 2024 in 5 different deaneries.